Hello there. As you can see, I'm in the suit. So, yeah. Today I'm going to be doing a little review. I got the suit, I think about a week ago. Rode in it a little bit. It's actually getting pretty flexible now, because everything's breaking in. And the reason I got a suit was because we were planning on doing a track day, and I think it's just good to have too. So yeah, we might go on the highway or kind of go a little bit higher speed just to test like the aerodynamics and stuff in full tuck. I videoed myself doing it off camera, or I practice full tuck shifting and all that off camera. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, just kind of I'm gonna give you my thoughts on it, and yeah, see if you should get one, or hopefully influence your decision to buy one. So yeah, let's get on the road. Alright, so this suit is the Sedici Chicane, or Sedici, or however you pronounce it. It's a very comfortable suit in my opinion. At least the size that I got is very comfortable. It's obviously full leather, so it's supposed to be tight. Hopefully this camera is centered. I mean, it has super view, so it probably is, but yeah, I'm gonna kind of give you my thoughts on it. I'm 6'3" and I'm on a pretty small bike, and I don't feel too crammed on this, honestly, with boots on, with everything. Like, I mean, and keep in mind this suit isn't still broken in, like it's not broken in yet. So yeah, I mean, it's a very, very comfortable suit for what you're getting. I paid with a discount. I paid around $440 with school, like motorcycle school discount they give you, or at least the school I went to gives you discounts or whatever, little card. But yeah, I paid $440 for this. The original price for it was like $500 plus tax, so $540. So I basically got $100 off. It's a very, very nice suit. CE level 2 armor on the elbows, knees. There is no back protector or whatever it's called, but I don't think any suits have that. It has the aerodynamic hump though, which is nice. I don't know if it's strictly made for aerodynamics, or people have said that you can put like water in there so you can drink while you're racing, which I don't really care for. But it's a nice feature to have. I don't believe this one allows you to do that. It's just for aerodynamics. The suit material and everything is really nice. I mean, it's full leather, obviously. It has a very nice like armor, like it's not like uncomfortable armor like some other suits and jackets I tried on at Cycle Gear. This one felt nice. Yeah, so if you want to get a suit like this, I mean, I would recommend it. I mean, so far so good. We'll try to go on the highway, and I'll update you guys on like the aerodynamics and stuff about it, or like all that good stuff. I will say the suit is very heavy. I mean, it's literally a full leather suit, so it's gonna be heavy. Yeah, I can bend my knees pretty well. I can shift fine. Keep in mind it's still not broken in yet, so that's something to consider when you're buying a suit like this. Don't get a super loose one, because the suit won't break into your body. It will be really loose, and you don't want that if something happens. So yeah, I mean, this is very it's a snug fit, but it's like it's not bad. I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to say. I mean, it's a good bang for your buck suit. It's literally, I researched all of this, all the suits before I came, like, to a decision, and this is the cheapest suit that I could find with good reviews and CE level 2 armor, like, for this price and all that stuff. Yeah, I mean, it's a very comfortable suit, especially since it's really heavy, and it gets pretty hot. Obviously, it's actually pretty breathable on the back. I can't show you on camera, but yeah, well, I mean, I'll take you guys on the highway, just kind of give you guys a short little highway trip in full tuck. Yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is, I mean, I think this is with all suits. I think it's a safety standard, but this is airbag compatible, has a pretty decent amount of space. I mean, it's, yeah, just overall good bang for your buck. I mean, I watched like the Revzilla videos and stuff, and it looks sick. It matches well with the bike and all that good stuff. And I was like, oh yeah, I mean, there's also the Sedici Corsa, but I mean, it's literally the same like principle. Like, it's literally the same suit. I think it's just a different design in some parts of the armor. But I tried recording this video yesterday, and I recorded it in the wrong format for the face cam, so the video was kind of useless. But hopefully it's able to register on my PC this time. Yeah, I mean, the suit's nice. I mean, it's like, people in the reviews, it's like you get what you pay for, but this is probably the nicest feeling leather, like, that actually feels like protective. I mean, we'll see in the next like couple weeks or whatever, but so far so good with this. I mean, there's no tears. I will say the liner in this sucks ass. Sorry, it sucks. It's just really like scratchy, and I don't know, if you're not, I mean, when you wear a suit, you're supposed to wear like an undersuit, like kind of like a tight suit or whatever, to make sure that you stay cool or whatever, because there's really no like breathable mesh or whatever in this. It's full leather besides in the back. But I mean, all that aside, this is a great quality suit. I mean, like, if we end up doing a track day, I'm pretty sure this is going to be perfectly fine for protection. I mean, like, come on, if it's 500 bucks, it better be protective. I mean, it has CE level 2 armor. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know too much of, like, in terms of like how it feels yet, because it's still kind of new suit, but so far it's breaking in nicely. So yeah, I mean, if you're gonna do a track day, invest in a suit. I mean, come on, like, or you could invest in the two-piece suits. I've heard they're pretty good, but I don't know, the ones that I saw were like $1,000, and I was just, well, the Sedici, basically the two-piece version of this was like the same price or a little bit more, but it really just depends on your preference. I've heard that the two-piece suits have like some safety issues, because I mean, it's literally zippered up, like it's not like a full-on like one-piece suit. But if you want a more comfortable track day ride, I would say the two-piece suit. Really depends on the fitment of it. That's a nice fucking stretch bike. That's, oh my god. Yeah, I mean, it really just depends on your personal preference. I don't know, I prefer one piece because more safety according to people. But yeah, I mean, you're getting like the same armor, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I'm pretty sure it's the same, if it's the same price. Sedici is a good brand. I have the helmet from them, no problems with that. I don't have like any boots or whatever. I don't have gloves from Sedici. These are Noru Sokudo gloves. The company name is Noru. I have boots from them as well. They're alright. I mean, they had a huge clearance sale. It's like they're kind of going out of business, I believe, but The website I got it from was Helmet House, Noru, whatever. They have like Alpinestars and stuff there too. I think it's just a private seller. I don't know. The point is, it's good quality materials for pretty much all the gear that I have. It feels nice. They break in really nicely, and they don't bang. They don't wreck your bank account too much. So yeah, Sedici one-piece chicane suit. Highly recommend so far. Yeah, it's great. And hopefully we're able to do a track day. Like, I mean, we have a good feeling on what to do, or like what to bring and stuff. Track that we're planning on going to is Pacific Raceways. It's a good track. I mean, we went karting there. We kind of know the layout of the track. I have it on. I downloaded a mod for anyone who plays Assetto Corsa. They have a mod that I think is free. Pacific Raceways. So I kind of learned the track that way too. But it only does so much. Might as well experience at least one track day. And if it's not for you, then it isn't for you. But I don't know. I just want to experience it a little bit and really know and see what this bike can do. There's really no like plan to this video. I was just kind of like, oh yeah, I should make a reveal on the suit, and then just mention that we're planning on doing a track day. The POV videos though have been doing insane, surprisingly. Thank you for watching them. Or I mean, yeah, I don't we're gonna post more of it obviously, but Jesus, I think we're at like 22,000 views for one of them and like 18,000 on another. And then Robby's meat department videos have gotten like 5k views, I believe. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, actually commenting, because like there's some videos and stuff where it's like you get a lot of views but there's really no comments, so like you don't really get to interact with your fan base as much. We don't really have a fan base. I mean, we have a very small fan base, but yeah, we appreciate your guys' support and all that stuff for making this channel. You know, I'm glad that we're able to make some people out there enjoy like those types of videos and stuff. So we're going to continue to post those, obviously. Yeah, we're going to go on the highway and I'll give you guys a little I'll give my opinion on more high speed, like kind of really windy days with the suit on, because it is pretty windy outside, but it's also very hot, so it's a nice little breeze as well. If there isn't a ton of traffic. I mean, I'm going street speeds right now anyways, but it feels nice. I mean, especially since I'm kind of a taller dude who doesn't really have like a lot of leg room, I guess. Like, this bike's fine for leg room. It's just with the suit on, it is kind of tight. But if you've got a bigger bike and all that stuff, then it shouldn't be a problem. But I haven't got any new like rear sets or whatever for it, but I mean, I don't really think I need to. One thing I was considering was a quick shifter, but for a 300cc it's kind of pointless. I mean, I'd rather just get one, like a bigger bike with one, just because it's higher speed, higher RPM, just like just more expensive parts. So I'd rather just have like a quick shifter, because I mean, it preserves clutch life like pretty well, according to people who have them, and they're just fun. I mean, according to everybody else, like, they're insanely fun to use. They're like, I mean, you might as well use the electronics to your advantage, right? and they help with track days, obviously. Good for lap times, good for becoming a more confident rider. But I'd rather learn the good old-fashioned clutch and throttle way. And all that, the clutch is up-shifting stuff, I was just like, nah, I'm not gonna do that, because I love this bike too much. So yeah, it does. I love how the Suit has like the knee sliders and stuff on it. Like, it's a nice touch. I mean, I think every Suit has them. I think they have to have them for safety reasons or whatever, but overall it's a good Suit, so I would recommend it. I'll go full tuck a little bit. Yeah, it's a nice Suit, very nice Suit. So one thing about this helmet though, it's like Robby mentioned it in the other videos, it's like it's basically a bobblehead. Like, your head feels very doesn't feel in control, like your neck is kind of hurting. But later on I might update to a K6 or whatever, or if a new helmet comes out that looks nice, or the R420. He just didn't get the right size apparently, or I don't know. I just figured I'd just kind of tell you about what our plans are and stuff for the channel, I guess, or about the Suit. Obviously I might just end the video here, honestly. Hopefully you guys enjoy the videos. I mean, obviously like motorcycle videos and stuff, at least on the channel, don't get like as much views, but the POV videos we're going to continue to post. We might do a track day if we have time. Hopefully I get meet department. Hopefully, yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what the plans are for the channel. We're just kind of posting, but we're going to continue to post those POV videos, because I mean, they are doing insane right now. And they're like, usually after like the algorithm doesn't like continue to promote those videos, like then it stops, but the views have kept going up, which is crazy. But yeah, I mean, it's insane that the POV videos get that many views. So yeah, that's all I got. Hopefully this video was helpful to any of you guys looking for a Suit or some track day gear or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Yeah,